Good day. In today's videos, we will be taking a quick look at what the stock maintenance entails. On the main screen, click on Stock Maintenance. In the search field, you can change how you'll be searching for already added stock. By utilizing the search string field, you'll be able to search for specific stock. In this example, we will be searching for knickknacks. You can either fill in the search string with only a few letters, or you can fill in the exact name to get a more precise reading. When the string field is empty and you search, it might take a while to collect all the data. Please be patient as the search is busy. And after that, we will be going through what we can do on this page. We can add new stock to the database, edit existing stock, and update prices. Delete stock if not applicable. You can add pictures to specific stock. Stock movement. Supplier history. And lastly, you can print stock labels from this screen. In this section, we will be taking a look at how to add a new stock item. On the main screen, click on Stock Maintenance, and on the next page, go to the bottom and click Add Stock. On the next section, you'll need to fill in the stock code and click OK to continue. Here we will start by filling in the description field. After that, you can select a group you want to add the item to, if applicable. Next, we will be selecting the supplier account. Follow the on-screen instructions and select the relevant supplier. After that, we will be adding the retail price under the Price Structure tab. Then we will be adding a short description in the Features and Details tab. Once all details has been filled in, go ahead and click OK at the bottom of the screen to finalize the product. On this section, we will be taking a look at how to edit an existing stock item. First, we will search for the previous item we created and going to change the pricing. After that, select the desired item and click on Edit Stock at the bottom of the screen. First, we will change the markup to 10%. Then we change the latest cost to 20 Rand. After that, we will add a minimum 10% profit. Then we will be changing the minimum stock level to 10 and the maximum level to 100. After that, we will be changing the retail price to 25 Rand. Once all details have been edited, go ahead and click OK. In this section, we will be taking a look at where to save the pictures you would like to use in the software. In this example, we will be getting our image from the download folder and moving it to the picture folder under Data in your C drive. In this section, we will be taking a look at how to add a picture to a specific item. In this example, we will be adding a picture to the item we added earlier. First, you'll need to find the item in Stock Maintenance. Then select the relevant stock item and click on Add Picture at the bottom of the screen. On the next screen, click Add. Then a list will appear with images from the picture folder we used earlier. Select the relevant image and click OK. In this section, we will be taking a look at how to delete a stock item. First, search the item you want to delete. Next, select the correct item and click on Delete at the bottom of the screen. Once you click, yes, the item will be deleted. Please note that once the item has been deleted, all relevant data linked to that stock item will also be deleted. Well done, you've completed this step. Keep up the great work and join us for the next video. Thank you for watching.